Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a classic coding interview problem, finding the top k frequent elements. This is a must-know problem that tests your understanding of hash maps and heaps. Let's define the goal. We are given an array of numbers, and a number k we need to identify which numbers appear most frequently and return the top k of them. For example, if we have 3 ones, 2 twos, and 1 3, and we want the top 2 frequent elements, the answer is 1 and 2. A common first thought is to simply count everything and then sort the counts. We count the frequency of each number, sort them from highest to lowest, and take the first k. However, sorting takes n log n time. If the input array is massive, this can be too slow. We can do better. We will still use a hash map to count frequencies in linear time. But instead of sorting everything, we will use a heap, also known as a priority queue. This allows us to track just the top k elements much more efficiently. Step 1 is straightforward. We iterate through the input array and build a frequency map. The key is the number itself, and the value is how many times it appears. This operation takes linear time, or O of n. Now for the clever part. Should we use a max heap or a min heap? A max heap seems intuitive, but we'd have to push everything in, which costs O of n instead. We use a min heap and limit its size to k. This keeps the space complexity low. Here is how the min heap works. We iterate through our map entries. We add each pair of number and frequency to the heap. The heap organizes itself based on frequency, with the smallest frequency at the top, or root. If the heap size exceeds k, we know we have one too many elements. Since it is a min heap, the root is the element with the lowest frequency among the ones we've seen so far. We simply pop that root off. This ensures we always keep the k largest frequencies. This approach is highly efficient. Time complexity is O of n log k. Because the heap never grows larger than k, space complexity is O of n for the map and O of k for the heap, which simplifies to linear space overall. In code, it looks like this. First, build the map. Second, initialize a min heap. Loop through the map, pushing items into the heap. If the size hits k plus 1, pop the minimum. Finally, return the elements remaining in the heap. To wrap up, use a hash map for counting and a min heap of size k to maintain the top elements. This pattern appears in many top k style problems, so it is a great tool to have in your coding arsenal. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.